So here's how to fix Steam games not launching or opening on Windows. So first what you want to do is run Steam. Next you want to locate the game that is problematic or is not running. Now right click on it and go to properties and then go to installed files. And in here you want to click on verify integrity of game files and then wait for it to verify and check the game files to repair any potentially corrupted files. Next, you can close this and then go to on the left top in here, click on settings, and then go to downloads section and scroll down and you should see a clear cache option here to clear the download cache. Now you will simply click on it and then click confirm and it should shut down Steam and prompt you to log back in again. Now once you log back into Steam, try to launch the game again to see if it works. Now if it still doesn't work, what you can do is close Steam and then go to the Steam logo on your desktop, right click on it and then click show more options. Go to properties and then go to compatibility tab and disable full screen optimizations and run this admin as program or run this program as admin and then click apply OK. Next, you wanna try to run Steam again to see if that solves the problem. And if it still does not work, what you can do is check if you have the latest Windows updates by going to settings menu and then search for update here. Now click on Windows Update settings and install any pending updates or download and install them if you have any pending updates available. Now, once you install them, you can simply try to reboot your PC and then launch Steam again. And that should generally fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.